Good morning. It's been raining till 5 o'clock in the morning.
Let's find a pizza place.
So I got 9 days left. Good. Look. Vietnam by Motorbike. It's an idea that's been with me since watching the iconic Top Gear episode back in 2008. I've always dreamed of experiencing Vietnam from the seat of a bike. Sure, it's a bit risky, but it's undoubtedly the best way to truly experience this incredible country. So guys, grab your helmet and join me as we journey through Vietnam, discovering new sights and creating unforgettable experiences along the way. Get ready for an exciting adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Good morning. Hey, having better weather than last night. It's been raining till 5 o'clock in the morning. Just stopped now. It's about 8:30 in the morning. Just had the breakfast and I'm planning to go to one of the local markets. I have to change currency. I don't have cash and no ATM around. So let's get the motorbike ready and go to a local market. The local market is busy. A lot of people, a lot of locals come in for shopping, and all they are wearing that raincoat because all they ride motorbikes. Fresh produces everywhere and prices are cheaper. Ooh. Go. Holy! Happy New Year! What you doing? Oh, you got a tank. Bum. It's stuck. Oh my God.
Found a pizza place. So it's gonna be my breakfast stop. My motorcycle, and I got the kid with me. Vikram is really good. Vikram, you are Eunice? Me? Vikram. You, Eunice. Yes, so it's a nice place. It has a pizza, so I can enjoy my seafood pizza. This one it's really €2. Yeah, I don't know, €2.5. And I will have a drink, so I have breakfast. Then I'm gonna head back to Da Nang, and from Da Nang I'm gonna take the Ho Chi Minh route to Khe Sanh, then to Phon Nha, and Phon Nha to Ninh Bình, Mai Chau, Sapa, and end my travel in Hanoi. So I have to leave the country on 19. Today we are February 10, so I got 9 days left. Love Vietnam, so good. Whatever, it's been rainy the last 2 days, but it's still fine. It's not cold, it's warm. Just I don't need to get wet. You see, locals wearing those rain coats, plastic raincoats. There we go. We get to the end. Then yeah, I'm sad when I think that 1 week left. It's never been enough. 1 month it's not enough for the whole country. I just covered the south and the center, and I only have 9 days, so I can cover the north. Yeah. There we go. Inside the cafe, I've seen the flag of my country, so which is lovely. All countries here. I think during the World Cup, these guys, they've been broadcasting games. Morocco. Looks like Vietnam flag though. We got everything in here: Cameroon, Mexico, France, Saudi Arabia. International. Very nice city. I love the style of their coffees. She's making my pizza in the oven. So she's making my pizza. This is my pizza. Okay. I wanted to have a coffee too. I just load luggage, getting coffee from here, and go Da Nang. You see, my motorbike, it's overloaded, but I buy plastic because of the rain. So I protect all the luggage, and it's good.
Okay, let's go. Well, we're gonna cross the tunnel a second time to get to the south. This tunnel is very practical because it's been done, to avoid a mountain pass road, all these mountains on the top, so we go underneath. It's nice, well maintained, but slow, 60 km/h. It says on the sign it's limited to keep it safe. It is nice, well maintained, got fans, light, really practical. I love tunnels. And it feels really cool when I'm in it because no rain. I'm wearing a raincoat, but we still feel, you see even my
Look at that. It was rainy there, so now rain here. Now rain. Rain is going that way. Yeah? This is Hue Van Pass, guys. Going to Da Nang. Hue Van Pass, guys. It's so beautiful. That reminds me of Tizi Tishka in Morocco. Look at that. Look at that curve. Thank you. Very nice people. Cool. Good. Wow. Look at that curve. Look at the helmet. So cool. Cat helmet. Good. We're following.
Chạy xe mấy chục năm xong rồi đi chạy vừa xăng nó ôi là bà là đục luôn.
Dạ.
Nó mà to hơn của bay nữa. Nó đi.
Look, they will love the bread. Look, he's from Morocco. Look, look. Look.
It's a pagoda and it's very busy because of Tet holiday. It is a huge Buddha and a huge pagoda that could be seen from the mountains. We're getting back to deal with the traffic now. Da Nang welcoming us back, guys. I'm thinking to spend one overnight in Da Nang and tomorrow head toward Khesan. Here we are, guys. I had my last dinner in Da Nang in that beautiful ship by the river. Even from here we can see the Dragon Bridge. Here it is, guys. It's so beautiful with these lights on and ships taking trips in the river. It's very, very nice.